Welcome to the best product review channel. Top 5 electric woks are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best electric woks from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these are good to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Aroma Housewares Professional Electric Wok. It is a multi-purpose wok with the option to steam, braise and deep cook. This electric wok comes with a traditional look and heating, owing to its metal design. Also, there is a non-stick coating which makes cooking easier. With the non-stick design, the need to use oil reduces, resulting in healthy food. We experienced that the wok's temperature control is excellent and exciting too. It comes with dishwasher-safe material. The base is detachable as an add-on to better cleaning and storage option. Along with the wok, the chopsticks, steam rack and large glass dim come to make it a whole thing. The glass dome lid has adjustable steam vents which allow maximum control. Also, provides a way to keep a check on the food without having to lift the lid up. The handles are heat resistant. Even after cooking on high heat, they remain cool to touch. Number 2. Breville BEW600XL lid is a family-size capacity wok. The diameter is 143. The temperature control probe is removable. This means that the wok can directly be put in the dishwasher. The stainless steel base ensures that the heat is well absorbed for even and quick cooking. It is also because of the aluminium layer on it which seals the vapors too. The butterfly heating elements bring up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or heat. It helps to bring the heat up the wok bowl's wall, which is similar to a traditional wok. Breville comes with a broad shape creating space to cook for a whole family. Owing to this feature, it is best to use it in parties for a less worrisome experience. The glass wall comes with steam regulating vent which maintains a decent amount of vapor inside the wok. In case of using the wok as a heating pot for slow cooking or just to boil, these vents ensure minimum heat loss from the inside. A most interesting feature is the removable system. With a single touch on the slide bar, the wok disassembles and can be put in the dishwasher for cleaning. Number 3. VonShef 7.4 QT Electric Wok. VonShef brand's 7.4 QT Electric Wok comes as an option to serve family large portion meals. It offers a nice space to cook delicious dishes. This 14-inch diameter wok has an advanced coating that doesn't let the food stick on the pan. We loved how the temperature controls are kept simple yet powerful. There are 4 heat settings which start from warm with a temperature of 176 degrees Fahrenheit goes to high with a temperature of 446 degrees F. In between the warm and high heat settings, low and medium settings are also available. The low one is functioning at 302 degrees Fahrenheit, while the medium at 374 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a flat bottom pan having high sides which takes away the traditional wok feel from it. But the sides get heat up nicely. This version doesn't support dishwasher cleaning, but because of the non-stick coating, it is easy to clean. We recommend you to go easy on cleaning and use non-abrasive soap while avoiding steel or iron bars to clean. Number 4. Oster 2,124,087 DiamondForce Electric Wok. It is a long-lasting product which can be used to cook food using different techniques. The price of this particular version falls right in the category of budget-friendly. An amazing feature is the structured matrix cooking surface. It is infused to bring strength to its coating with diamond particles. This adds on to its performance and durability for a long time. It is absolutely safe to put the dishwasher for cleaning using a dishwasher. However, we still suggest you go easy on the abrasive soap usage. If possible, kindly avoid. Oster 2,124,087 version comes with a safe lid and top rack. Also, the base has a handle to bring in an extra grip. The loading capacity of the product is nice. Number 5. Brentwood Appliances SK69. Brentwood's SK69BK is a 13-inch electric wok skillet. It has a wide flat bottom of 9-inch, which brings about the right even heating. The temperature controls are easy to manage. They start at 195 degrees Fahrenheit and go to 450 degrees F. Its thermostat is removable to bring about ease in cleaning. The handles come with heat-resistant cool touch material. We like the tempered glass lid for the circulation of food vapors. The feet are non-slid rubber adding additional grip. As it is flat bottom, it doesn't bring the traditional look and might not serve how a traditional one serves. It is more of an electric skillet than a wok. However, we still believe its heat setting is remarkable and can bring out a similar result as that of a traditional wok. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product's link.